walk up to the top. There's an overlook there.
Your eyes, they beckon me. Your lips, they speak lies and misery. I know it's wrong, but I can't turn away. The flames draw near, they're telling me to stay.
All right. So we started out the day in Albuquerque. Then we went to, where did we go? Meteor Crater. Yeah. Have we seen anything else today? I think that was about it. Well, anyways, Winslow. Now, Winslow, yeah. Now we are here at the Hoover Dam. And, well, we didn't get to see a whole lot in Albuquerque. This totally makes up for it. This is incredible. That's Lake Mead, right? Yeah. And Lake Mead is, what is it, the lowest it's ever been? I don't know. It's really low at any rate. That's insanity. We parked for free all the way on the far side. And now we are going to walk towards the dam. It's like 105 degrees out, which is probably nothing for people that live here. But for me, that's hot. Wow. That is crazy. Is the water level normally like right up there where that kind of like that stain is, you know? Because see how high it is here. Like, so that's the spillway over there, right?
To the right there.
Yeah.
No, the spillway is right there.
What's that? Oh, is that like an excess runoff or something?
Yep, the spillway is right there.
Oh, okay, yeah, the spillway's here, yeah, okay.
Hey,
huh.
The water should jump to the top, right where those towers, you can walk on those towers.
It should be right up there?
Right below that.
Wow.
That's where the water should be.
That's crazy. So we gotta walk all the way down here, huh? That's a lot of steps. I'm gonna be dying. Must be, I don't know.
Into the
That's the bridge up there that we drove in on. It's really cool.
Hey! Hey!
Do you want to keep going then, or
I want to go back.
want to go back?
I want to get to Vegas. Yeah, I don't want to be out here in the heat too long.
Sounds good. It's pretty hot out. I can't believe that's a bathroom.
The GoPro would agree. Let's go.
The GoPro's pretty hot too. It was pretty hot to the touch. I can't believe that's a freaking bathroom. That's insane. There's like an elevator in the bathroom or something. And then we gotta walk all the way back up there now. So this can be a nice walk. Lots of stairs. I love how these like power lines are just like angled over the edge like that. That's so cool looking.
That's why I wanted you to get a picture.
Man, that's really sweet. Look down, GoPro.
Look at how
Be
big.
afraid of heights.
Look at how big that building is now. Those cars look like toys.
I know, right? Isn't that crazy? Oh boy, that's a long ways down. Dang. That's crazy. Alright, that's enough filming with this. Let's go walking back to the car now. It's pretty hot. I'm gonna die of a heat stroke out here. Nah, I'm just kidding. If I stay out here any longer, I will. I'll do one more quick video. There's boats down there. That's pretty cool. There's like a jet ski down there too. Alright, let's walk. Take the cable and put it over there. Why do we have a door open? I'll hop over real quick. Dude. The door open. Oh, it was your door. Okay. Jeez. Speed bumps are rough. Park in a crosswalk, people. Come on. Dude, their mirror's broken, so they got like an extended mirror on there. Is that a Corolla with tow mirrors? It's hilarious.
Right?
Oh, there's the palm trees. I was like, where are the palm trees? They said there was palm trees here.
Woke up this morning with the sun down, shining in. I found my mind in a brown paper bag, but then I tripped on a cloud and fell 8 miles high. I tore my mind on a jagged sky. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in.
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, what condition my condition was in.
I pushed my soul in a deep dark hole and then I followed it in. I watched myself crawling out as I was crawling in. I got up so tight I couldn't unwind. I saw so much, I broke my mind. I just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in. Someone painted April Fool in big black letters on a dead-end sign. I had my foot on the gas as I left the road and blew out my mind.
All right. I told Josh, I said, I'm tired of staying in these dumpy Super 8s that are not super great. These days in, even though we never had a bad days in yet. And I don't know, whatever else we stay in, they're not good. So then he goes and totally outdoes himself, and here we are in a freaking Hilton. This is mind-blowing. What did you do? You did this, man. This is crazy. They got stuff here that if you pick it up for more than 30 seconds, they charge it to you. That's insane. Can I even look at it? Is that free? I mean, this place is cool, but don't get me wrong. We're only staying here one night. We can't afford to stay here 2 nights. But look at that. We got the Plaza, Treasure Island, the Mirage. Can't really see it very well. There's Trump Tower. There's like a hot tub and pool down there. I mean, this is a full resort. Crazy. The Encore or something. The Wynn. There's the Strip. We're in Resorts World, Hilton. There's Rockford's, I don't know what the other one was. Conrad, there we go, yeah. But yeah, this is insane. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. We've never had a bathroom this nice. The first hotel we were at, the toilet wasn't even bolted to the floor. It was spilling all over the floor. This hotel, man, look at that. They give you hand wash, lotion. It's got like this crazy shower that's walk-in. Oh, this is crazy. It's got a seat, just in case I want to sit here. Man, they even give you the soaps and stuff. This is nuts. I mean, I'm pretty simple, but this is the best I've ever had. No doubt. 19th floor, room 382. Man, is this cool. Oh, there we go. You got a closet. Dang. There's carpeting. It's not hardwood, so they can wash all the germs off the floor, you know? This place is incredible. film video. We're walking through our resort, hotel, casino. Hundreds of restaurants. I don't know, maybe not really, but a lot. We're gonna go down the elevator. We're on floor 19. We're staying in the Hilton. Is that our elevator? I don't know. Sure. We're gonna go walk through the casino. Oh yeah, there's our casino right there. Look at that. Dang. So we got Crockford's, Conrad, Hilton, Resort World. There's a screen on the side of our place here. Oh hey, our room is up there somewhere. We got the screen? How does that work?
Screen's on the outside of the
How could we not see it?
It's transparent.
It's transparent. Oh, okay. That's crazy. We gotta go check that out. These are really interesting.
Still figure out the maybe
Mm-hmm.
walking right here.
Okay, let's just go over here. I want to take a look at this model real quick. Dude, this is so crazy. Alright, ready to go walk through there? Alright, let's try it. Let's cut this way, sure. $34 there.
When you get by the casino, turn that off. Because they will stop you.
Okay.
Anyone near the casino floor, here will stop you. Because you could be filming your casino secrets.
Oh, yeah. Stop it right at the end of this hallway.
Still wanted to involve the security guard off.
Yeah. Alright, we're walking through our casino, hotel, resort, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to go look at some Rolls Royces. Let's go check out these Rolls Royces.
I put $5 in.
Oh, Josh just won, by the way. He put $5 in and won 40. So that's pretty good for his first time playing. But you gotta know when to stop. It's a wraith. Green jade pearl. Wow. Dawn. Fucks blue candy. Mr. Fucks. Mr. Fucks fucks. This guy fucks, man. He really does. Look at this. What the heck is this? Matched to a flower that he found in Pebble Beach. Well, ain't that nice? Man. This guy's got like one of every color. Phantom Chocolate. This looks like the one from GTA 4. The Era of Money car. Purple candy. I think these are just like custom colors. I mean, they must be, huh? There's no way you can just buy them in this color, right? Color them. Finish center, surface finish center. Interesting. Arctic white. This must be the cheap one. This is the cheap one because it's just plain white. This is the Enterprise model. Where is it? Oh, down there. This looks like my dream garage in Test Drive Unlimited. I guess we'll stop it here.
Grab that cash with both hands and make a start.